Hi, this is Real World Audio. It's János with a real cat, Kintaro. And today I'm talking about something that you have asked me to share for a very long time, and that is headphones. So, what do I think of headphones? And um, and I think it's a very simple and yet a very complicated subject. And you often hear that when you want to hear a system like uh, in high resolution, high detail, you got to listen to it through headphones. And I would say that's true and not true at the same time. And true because through headphones, and I mean better headphones, you are going to hear very good resolution, very good detail, and uh, and a very good image space, which is different than the two-channel traditional stereo image, more like a headspace that things are happening all around you, which I think is something far better than seeing a miniaturized Muppet show play out in front of your eyes. So, so for me, the headphone image sounds something as much something that I like better than a Muppet show playing out in front of me. And however, there are some aspects with headphones which require a bit more consideration and that people don't know about in general. And one of that aspect is bass response. And you see that on many headphones, like for example on my Sennheisers, it says that the frequency response starts from 10 hertz, and it has like a plus minus, I don't know what, 3 dB, 6 dB, something like that at 10 hertz. And you would think that you will be able to enjoy like subsonic bass with headphones. And sadly, my answer to that is you will not be able to enjoy subsonics or anything even like 20 hertz through headphones, because the deep bass, your primary source of experience for deep bass when you hear it in naturally in real life, is through your body. So those frequencies we not just hear with our ear canals, but our body resonates with those 20 hertz sound waves, and that gives 90% of experiencing 20 hertz. So that you can hear 20 hertz or you cannot hear 20 hertz, that's just a tiny portion of the experience. The experience will come from you feeling it in your body resonating. And basically sound waves below 70 hertz, 70 hertz, that's where our body will start to resonate with them more and more. And as the frequency drops, the body will resonate it at bigger and bigger amplitudes with those frequency waves. And depending on the actual frequency, there will be different parts of your body that resonate with those frequencies. So for example, the frequency range between 70 hertz to 20 hertz, that's your muscles. This is our muscles that resonate with those frequencies. And of course there will be parts when you will have your bowels resonate to it, you will feel it in specific areas of your body. But below 20 hertz will be really the area where your individual internal organs will start to resonate really strongly with, and that's because they are filled with fluids, they are fluid sacs, and at specific frequencies they will start to resonate and amplify those resonances. And those resonances, when your organs are fluctuating with it, will create bodily sensations and will tremendously impact on the experience. And now if you are listening to headphones, that's not going to happen, because the sound waves are just going directly to your ears, and they are not involving, not engaging your body, because your body is not there. So that's why it doesn't matter how good your headphones are, the bass response like 30 hertz and lower is going to be nothing like what you can experience in a room size representation with loudspeakers. So that's where headphones and loudspeakers will tremendously diverge. And now what you hear most people say that still headphones have much better bass response than loudspeakers, and that's because that part of the bass that you can hear, like the upper bass, mid bass, and even the audible portion of lower bass, is often represented at a much higher level than how the loudspeakers represent them. And that's my challenge for all of you, is that you can use your headphones, high quality headphones, as a yardstick, as a measuring stick, how good your loudspeakers are. And the utterly sad, excruciating reality is that in 99% of the cases, the loudspeakers you have are vastly inferior to the headphones you have. So most people, 99% of people, report that their headphones bass response is light years ahead out compared to their loudspeakers. And now my challenge for everyone is to improve your loudspeakers response to catch up with your headphones. And you might be asking, what's my case? And in my case, for example, when I think about either the cube audio void pipes or the voice over Lancelots, their bass response is light years ahead of compared to headphones. And especially the voice over Lancelot, it's like a totally different universe. It's and and even that aspect, that the spaciousness that you are in the music, the voice of Lancelots do a tremendous number of every headphone I have heard. It's kind of like having a headphone on steroids, or like a next generation headphone. Is just completely mind-blowing. So it's not just your head that's in the musical space, but your entire body is in the musical space. So you are getting an engagement at the next level compared to a headphone. And however, for most of you who have traditional loudspeakers, you are not getting that type of involvement from the majority of the commercial loudspeakers. They give you the Muppet Show, that focused thingy in the middle of the room, and you are not part of it. So the music doesn't touch you. The music is in front of you, a separate entity, and there's distance between you and the music. And that's where the headphones come in really handy, because it doesn't distance out the music from you. You still feel you are part of it. You are part of the performance. And that's the big magic when you are at a live music event that the band is playing, that you are there. You have that feeling. And that's happening when you use headphones. So if you have loudspeakers and you miss that involvement of being part of the music, then try out high quality headphones, and yeah, you will notice that, okay, I'm becoming part of the music right now. I don't feel separated from it anymore. So that's where headphones can be a tremendous help to your journey. And then if you are ready to experiment with things like the voice of Lancelot, then that will take you to the next level, where you will be part of the music, and it's just at such a scale that any headphones compared to that is really like child's play. So I think that's my take on headphones. Personally, do I use them in my daily life? Yes, I use them every day. I have a closed Sennheiser 598 CS. That's what I'm using at work every day. I put it on my head. I got it expressly with the purpose to protect my hearing, because in the building we have loud air conditioning. we have laboratory equipment, and I just want to protect my ears from them. It's perfect for that, and as a side effect it makes great sound as well. I'm really happy with it, and it gives me a source of joy in an environment where I cannot just put, there a full-blown DIY audio setup at my workplace. I need my desk for my work. I just cannot, overflow it with all kind of audio gizmos. So I just, plug it to my computer, and that's it. That's what I use during the work, and it gives me plenty of happiness, plenty of joy, good sound, and it protects my hearing against extraneous noises. But when I come home and I want to listen to quiet music, I just put on the system and I just enjoy it. At home, I don't use headphones, just exclusively at work. So that's it. I hope this was valuable for all of you, and have a wonderful day, and love your headphones. Bye bye.